Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Lacino. So we already went over gold. Here's another setup for a minor stock. We are along this in a stock portfolio, but I just wanted to point this out. Haven't moved up the retracement levels. You can see here, pulled back the two key ones we watched are 12.5 and the 25. Pulling back here, gapping down to 25, no close below the rotation zone, testing it, close in the rotation zone above it, never closing below the rotation zone. Moving again sideways, then breaking out to the upside. So those are the kind of plays for breakout plays that you should be watching for if you're going to learn some of this price action. Then you can put on the Gann targets from this key low back on the 19th of March to the key high on the 9th of June. Gives you 1234. There's a nice little prior resistance ledge right there. See how they're lining up pretty close. Then 1317, which is up by all these. If you come over here, there's major resistance. So those are really good areas to raise stops, to take profits. You know, we're not trying to tell you how to trade. We're just trying to give you some instruction here. And then you can also easily trail a stop below with a close below the rotation zone. That's why we use the rotation zone. So again, you want to use a rotation zone when it starts separating. When it goes flat and wavy like this, you just want to turns into a breakout play. So you draw your horizontal lines on both sides, waiting for a breakout. Once it starts separating, then you can start doing the pullbacks into the rotation zone. So we have for you on FCX, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.